Let's talk briefly about blood spotting. Now, blood spotting is a natural response to the removal of a terminal hair that's in the anagen phase of growth. So that means when the hair is still connected to the bulb. And as the hair is removed, it takes through the follicle traces of blood that are then deposited on the surface of the skin. The important facts about blood spotting is that we pre-cleanse the skin, because as the blood comes up the follicle, it doesn't just sit and stay at the top of the follicle, it actually filters microscopically back down into the follicle, taking with it whatever is on the surface of the skin. So pre-cleansing and sterilizing the skin is extremely important, and post-cleansing of the skin to remove it from the surface is equally as important. The reason this process is important is that the blood will collect any bacteria that's on the surface and redeposit it back down into the follicle, creating an irritation and possibly an infection within the follicle. Check out the following image that will demonstrate a normal blood spotting response from a wax. At Outback Organics, we highly recommend you use the gel cleanser to pre-cleanse before your treatment, not only to soften the follicle, but also to sterilize the skin, and then use it again after your waxing service to cleanse away any potential blood spotting.